Namaste friends, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are well. So this video is about 8 refreshing summer drinks which are very healthy, easy to prepare and tasty. So without wasting any further time, let's start with the video. Lemonade is a very hydrating and refreshing drink in summer. So how can you imagine summer without a glass of lemonade? For preparation, we will need mint, lemon, water, jaggery powder, salt and cumin powder. So for preparing lemonade, we'll take a glass of water. Then we will squeeze half of lemon into it. Lemon contains high amount of vitamin C. It is good for our skin, for weight loss, as well as it flushes out all the toxins from our body. Then we will add jaggery powder because jaggery powder is more nutritious as compared to sugar. Then we will add small amount of salt. Salt is also very good for our health as it balances fluid in our body, but always take it in moderation. Add cumin powder. It is rich source of iron and it is very good for stomach. Also it adds a very refreshing flavor. Then add mint powder. You can also prepare it at home. Mint has very refreshing flavor. It is very cooling and it can do wonders for your stomach problems. Then it is almost done. You have to mix all of these ingredients together really well. Then we'll strain it with the help of a strainer. Add some ice cubes and for decoration add a slice of lemon and some mint. Now your drink is ready for serving. Second is watermelon drink. Watermelon is easily available in summers and who doesn't love watermelon? It contains 90% of water. So for preparing watermelon juice, cut watermelon into small pieces, take some mint leaves, salt and lemon. Then add watermelon pieces into mixer grinder. Then we'll add jaggery powder. It depends, if watermelon is really sweet then there is no need to add jaggery powder. Add mint leaves. Mint leaves are very cooling in nature and give a refreshing flavor to the juice. Then squeeze a lemon. Lemon will enhance its nutrient value and also give a good flavor to it. Then add a little bit of salt into the container. Then close the lid and blend it. I didn't add water because watermelon itself contains a lot of water in it. After blending, it will look something like this. Then strain it with the help of a strainer. For decoration, add a piece of watermelon in the corner and some ice cubes and mint leaves and you are done. So third drink is Thandai. As the name Thandai suggests that it is really cooling in nature and it is a perfect drink for summers. So for making Thandai, we'll need a chilled glass of milk, jaggery powder, Thandai and some almonds for decoration. In 1 glass of milk, add 1 spoon of Thandai powder. Then add 1 spoon of jaggery powder. Adding jaggery powder is completely optional. Then in next step you have to mix all of these ingredients together. Then for decoration we will add some pieces of almonds. Your Thandai is ready. It will give you a high boost of energy and it is really good for enhancing immunity. Fourth is cucumber coolant. It is really good for hydration as it contains more than 90% of water and really low in calories. For making this we will need salt, lime water, cucumber and mint leaves. Put pieces of cucumber into the blender. Then add lime juice as it will enhance the flavor. Add a pinch of salt to this. Add mint leaves. It is in almost all the recipes because it is really refreshing in summers and gives a very good flavor to the drinks. Then blend all of this together. I forgot to add water, so add around 1 glass of water to it. Then blend it. In the next step, you have to strain it with the help of a strainer. Your refreshing drink is ready, decorated with a piece of a cucumber. Fifth drink is Aam Panna, which is very refreshing and tasty drink for summers. For preparation, we will need raw mangoes, mint and jaggery powder. Peel the skin of raw mangoes. Then cut them and take out the kernels because we will not need the middle part. After that, you have to boil them for some time until they become really soft and easy to blend. Let them cool down for around 15 to 20 minutes. Then in a blender add this. Then add jaggery powder. The amount of jaggery powder depends upon how sour the raw mango is. After this add mint leaves to enhance the flavor of the drink. Add lot of water, around 2 to 3 glasses for preparing this drink. Then you have to blend all of this. It will look something like this. Then you have to strain it with the help of a strainer. Add some ice and decorate it with mint leaves. Your drink is ready. Sixth is a sattu drink, which is a very cooling and refreshing drink. Mainly people have it after a very heavy workout. It is really good for weight loss and you should take it empty stomach. Barley flour, that means jौ ka atta, salt, lime juice as well as water. Add 1 tablespoon of barley into 1 glass of water. Add little bit of salt. Salt will help to balance the fluid in your body. Then add lime juice. Lime juice is really good for weight loss as it contains a fiber called pectin. Dissolve all of them together. Add ice cubes and also cumin powder for decoration. Seventh is Ruh Afza, which is very tasty and hydrating, and it is my own personal favorite drink. For preparation, we will need jaggery powder, water, Ruh Afza and milk. Take a glass and then add around half a cup of milk into it. Then you have to fill the glass with water. Add 1 spoon of jaggery powder to make it more tasty. Add around 1 spoon of Ruh Afza, which is the main ingredient. Then you have to mix all of them together. Add some ice cubes and your Ruh Afza drink is ready to drink. Now the last and 8th drink is Bel Sharbat. It is really good for your health and it can cure various diseases because of its antioxidant and antifungal nature. So for preparation you will need bel, jaggery powder and water. Then break the hard surface of bel with the help of a roller. Scratch out all the bel fruit with the help of a spoon. Then dip this in water for around 20 minutes. Before leaving them, mash them a little bit and then leave them. After 20 minutes, mash them with the help of a masher so you can extract the juice easily. Then strain it with the help of a strainer. It will take time, but the time will be worth it because it tastes really yummy. Also, it can cure various diseases like constipation, diarrhea, ulcer as well as diabetes. Add some ice cube. Now your drink is ready. If you are watching the video till now, I hope you have liked it. So before leaving, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and that's it. We'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye, take care.